Every summer, tiger sharks begin showing up around the island pier on Okaloosa Island. That's what we came looking for, but instead our new dual GoPro rig captured nurse sharks, dolphins, and plenty of surprises beneath the pier. Welcome to the Island Pier on Okaloosa Island in Fort Walton Beach, Florida. Anglers are already landing fish above the water. Today, we're more interested in what's happening below it. This is the first test of my new dual GoPro rig. Unlike my previous single camera setup, this design captures views in both directions and stays much more stable on the bottom. Let's see how it performs. Anchored based and dual cameras give us front and rear views of whatever swims by. Unlike the normal crackly sound you hear underwater, listen closely for the clicking sounds you may hear. Are they dolphins, fish, or something else? Let us know what you think in the comments. A dolphin suddenly appears above the cameras. This unusual looking rig draws a lot of attention. We met a lot of friendly people out at the pier. Look closely, it looks like this nurse shark is sticking its tongue out. It's actually a Remora. Meet the nurse shark. They're typically about 7 to 9 feet. There's rumored up to 14, but that's not fact. And they love to live around reefs and piers. The fish suddenly bolt when the dolphin returns. Nurse shark flyby with another hitchhiker. Meet Lucky. He's obviously survived a close call. Nurse shark left to right. Wonder what caused that. Ring around the piling. He doubled up on the bait catch. This little guy swam straight across to our cameras to take a look. AI identified this guy as a filefish. I don't really know. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Don't really know how many nurse sharks there are, but they sure are coming by the cameras and giving us good shots. You can just see a slight shadow to the right at passing by. Headed back behind the pier. One of two of the best close-ups, slowed down so you can take a good look at him. Number two of the best close-ups, headed right at you from the shadows. Our system is working well, and I greatly appreciate her help, as always. The last drop of the day is a little closer to the beach, clear water and sand. No tiger sharks today, but the new rig is a big success, and we caught a lot of other things with our cameras. Excited for our new drops coming up, and don't miss them. Join us. Please subscribe.